You know our love was meant to be the kind of love to last forever. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You should know.
So, yung maraming salamat talaga. Minsan, dahil yun, late yung schedule natin, hindi magkakasunod, hindi tayo lagi magkasama. Pero, ikaw pa na iniisip ko lagi. Pagkis nga!
You should know everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. Baby, you're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. Bring feeling to
Ang aming inspirasyon, ano? Wow. Kung alam nilang kung gaano po mabuting tao ito sila, kung gaano ko pabait. Isipin niyo, mas mahigpit na schedule na sa akin, pero nandito siya ngayon kasama ko. Lahat po ng success ko, kahit yung mga proyekto na hindi ko kasama si Kim, pag naging successful, you know, I still feel na Kim is always a part of me. Kahit anong mangyari, 5 years, 10 years, 30 years, hanggang sa day I die. Kim will always be here. So, Kim, maraming salamat talaga.